Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I created this beautiful natural hairstyle, please stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so right now I'm just basically showing you guys how long my natural hair has gotten since my last natural hair update, which I need to do another one, so stay tuned to that video. But anyway, you guys, so today I am going to be doing two-string twists. And you guys, I'm excited about this because I usually don't wear my natural hair out, and I usually don't even do natural hairstyles at all. But today we're doing two-string twists. So in order to do my two-string twist, I am going to be using this vitamin E oil to oil my skin, and I'm going to be using some mousse to actually do my twist with. And I'm going to be using some clamps and the Eco Styling Gel. Now you guys, I am going to use the mousse to actually twist my hair, because with the mousse my hair won't get as curly as if I would use the Eco Styling Gel. So I prefer to use the mousse first and then use the Eco Styling Gel on the ends of my hair to actually curl the ends of my hair. So yeah, you guys, with my twists. So I am going to let my twists actually air dry because I don't have a hair dryer to actually sit under. So I'm going to let these air dry and we'll come back and take them out.
5 hours later.
Okay guys, so it has been actually a day later. I was supposed to take them out within a couple of hours, but sister girl got super duper busy. So it's been a day later now, you guys. I done my makeup. So I'm just getting ready to just take these clamps out and we're gonna take out all the twists. Style. I used to wear this style back then, like when I used to actually get a relaxer in my hair. I used to put like the flat twists in, but back then it was all good because my hair wasn't natural and every time I sweat it didn't get poofy. But my issue is with natural hair, every time I sweat my hair get like super duper poofy, and that's why I don't really like to wear out my natural hair. But I'm excited. I'm glad that I did this style because it actually came out really cute. So as you guys can see, this is like the finished look. I'm just kind of trying to puff it out a little bit, and I'm going to actually take a wide tooth comb and actually comb it out a little bit, fluff it out a little bit with that wide tooth comb. And yeah, you guys, I had started off with like a middle part and I wanted to see how the side part looked, but I changed my mind and just put it back into like a middle part. But anyway, yeah, you guys, just let me know what you thought of this look. Okay guys, so right now I'm just going to use a little bit of the Eco Styling Gel to create my baby hairs. You know, you can't go, without putting baby hairs in your hair. That's just a must. But yeah, so I'm putting these baby hairs in, and once I'm done, I'm going to spray my hair down with a little olive oil sheen. And once I'm done that, we all good to go. We done, and that's it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know about it. And also, if you guys like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And also guys, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you thought of this look. And guys, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram.